Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word, a quick and easy way to organize information into rows and columns. Step 1. Open your Word document. Start by opening a new or existing Word file where you want the table to appear. Step 2. Click where you want the table. Place your cursor in the document at the exact spot where you want the table to go. Step 3. Go to the Insert tab. At the top of the screen, click on the tab labeled Insert. This is where you'll find all layout tools, including the table option. Step 4. Select the Table tool. Click the Table button. You'll see a grid appear. Move your mouse across the boxes to choose how many rows and columns you need. For example, 3 columns by 3 rows, then click to insert it. Step 5. Enter your data. Click inside each cell to start typing your text or numbers. You can press Tab to move to the next cell quickly. Step 6. Customize your table. Use the Table Design and Layout tabs at the top to change colors, borders, and text alignment. You can also add or delete rows and columns as needed. And that's it. You've added a professional-looking table to your Word document in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials for more quick and easy guides.